Now, this part of the video will show us how to analyze the measured parameters to adjust PEEP, and it will describe the importance of esophageal monitoring. PEEP titration. For this example, the patient is on volume control with 21%, PEEP of 7, rate of 20, and 280 mL of tidal volume. The reflected end expiratory pleural pressure is negative 4.2 centimeters of water. It is important to remember that the goal of end expiratory pleural pressure should be 0. Anything beyond that or negative about it, it tends to be that the lungs are collapsed. This typically happens with obese patients where there's a large amount of weight is pushing their thoracic cavity. Therefore, attaining a negative value of end expiratory pleural pressure. The example at the previous slide, the PEEP that was set at 7, it had an end expiratory pleural pressure of a negative value. To alleviate the negative value of the end expiratory, additional PEEP was provided, which made it an end expiratory pleural pressure of 0.1 centimeters of water, which is very close to the goal of 0 centimeters of water. With this action, lung recruitment is possible and better oxygenation will be achieved. The ventilator images used for this educational module are from the lectures of Dr. Rees. Thank you, and now you are ready to take the post-test.